In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Turtle Beach Stealth 600 to Xbox Series X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 on an Xbox console. You will be able to do this on both the Xbox Series X and S, and it is most likely going to work for the Xbox One as well. So all that you have to do to set up your Stealth 600 is to properly pair it up to your console, so press and hold the power button on the headset until the LED lights up. After this is done, press the power button on the console to power it on. Now press the pairing button on the console itself. The LED on the console itself should start blinking, which indicates that it is now in pairing mode, and if you press and hold the connect button on the headset until the headset's power LED flashes rapidly, it is going to connect over. So press the connect button on both the console and then the actual headset. Within a few seconds, the LEDs on both the headset and the console will turn solid, indicating that they are paired. You will see a headset assigned message appear on your dashboard and a tone on the actual headset. Now that they are paired successfully, you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on your Xbox console through the Stealth 600s. You don't need to worry about any sort of firmware update or downloading any additional apps. It is plug and play, so as long as it is sufficiently charged and you connect it to your Xbox by using the pairing method, you will now be able to listen to all of the audio being output. You can go over to the settings to double check, so if you go over to volume and audio output, you can change the headset format to Windows Sonic for headphones, and you will be able to control the chat mixer, do mic monitoring, and so on. If you join any sort of game chat, the Stealth 600 will be used, and you will listen to all of the audio being output through the headset. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Turtle Beach Stealth 600 to Xbox Series X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.